Hey Miranda, Mornings with Kape with Coach Miranda Minor. Naalala ko yung isang napakagandang commercial, para kanino ka bumabangon. Miranda, in trading, gusto kitang tanungin ngayon, para kanino ka bumabangon? Para saan yung trading na ginagawa mo? Para ano ba ang iyong purpose, ano ang inyong ambition? Miranda, one of the biggest factors for someone na maging successful in trading is having that deep why kung bakit ka nagtitrade. Pwede ba yung income replacement? Do you want to get out of the 9-to-5 job, no? Do you want to, have that income replacement or income supplement, kumbaga, that can help you buy the things that you want? Karamihan, pag natatalo tayo or tayo ay gusto nang umalis in trading, one of the biggest factors is wala tayong why, wala tayong lalim. But if you imagine, even in your daily life, even in your regular life ngayon, kung meron kang ambition, purpose, meron kang passion, gusto mo ma-achieve na isang bagay, di ba? Lahat tayo, talagang we work hard, we give 100% to achieve that. It's the same thing in trading. Kung wala kang purpose, wala kang why in trading, normally if you just lose, you're just gonna be giving up. If you encounter a loss, or you feel defeated, you just give up, Pag ganun mga kamiranda, ang kailangan natin gawin is reflect tayo, and reboot, pahinga ka muna. And before you settle again and before you play again that particular trade, I want you to write down what's the reason why you're trading. And build on that, Build on that para ba sa kinabukasan ng pamilya mo, para makauwi ka na dahil isa kang OFW. Muli, napakagandang commercial ang naalala ko, para kanino ka bumabangon. But let me ask that question to you right now habang humihigop tayo ng kape. Miranda, what is your trading why? Para kanino ka nagtitrade?